My hair's a mess today. I don't know what to do about it. Like, it looked really good this morning. But this... Okay, I got it! Yay! It's perfect again. Kind of. It just doesn't want to go. Hiccup! Oh, my friend's obsessed with my hiccup. Because when I hiccup, I actually say hiccup. But yeah, so I'm going to Indiana in a few hours. My mom's at work. Alright, so I guess I'm going to go. I'll film when I'm in Indiana, you know? So that you guys see all my friends. Instead of just Kat and me and Rhiannon. Alright, well, I love you guys. Bye.